There are three foundational principles in design thinking: observational research, visual sense-making, and rapid prototyping. Remember that design thinking is an ideology accompanied by a process, and the design thinking ideology says that a user-centric approach to problem solving leads to innovation, and innovation can lead to a competitive advantage. To get to that point, we need a foundational understanding of these principles of design thinking. Now, these principles of observational research, visual sense-making, and rapid prototyping, they're not new, but design thinking takes these pre-existing structures and applies them in a new way with strategic context. I'm going to talk about each of these principles in a bit more detail, but know that you can use them throughout your product design lifecycle. So the first principle, this is observational research. With observational research, we can gather qualitative data to start to understand our users, build empathy, and define their problems. Observational research methods are less commonly used in strategic contexts, but can have a huge benefit in helping people across the organization better understand your audience. Then we have the second principle, which is visual sense-making, and here the goal is to create a shared understanding of complex ideas. We can use this concept to make sense of the data collected throughout our observational research. Even if we know and understand the insights from our research, visual sense-making can help us identify the underlying relationships that exist. Finally, we have rapid prototyping, which kind of makes design thinking its own thing. With rapid prototyping and testing, we can quickly and cost-effectively determine how a concept is supposed to work. And this concept helps us determine what users really want and whether our business goals are aligned with our customers' goals. As practitioners, use these principles of design thinking to help enable you and your organization to think differently about strategic options and system impact.